welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly do hope everyone is doing great today. So guys, I have so many things to share with you, some home upgrades, and I'll be showing you that in a little bit. And I'm in the process of home upgrading. So then I also have a haul from a few different places, and this is kind of like a collective cultural haul with bigger pieces that I'm adding to my home to accentuate. Now, I haven't been buying a lot of home decor per se lately, but when I do, I'm having a tendency now to go for the bigger pieces because I just think it's like a one and done. It makes a statement and you don't have to, look for another piece to kind of accentuate the piece that you already have. But anyway, nevertheless, let me just jump right into it. Now, recently I posted a CB2 tour on my channel, and while I was in there touring, I saw something that I just had to have, and it's sitting right next to me. It's right here. It's a nice, heavy, meaty piece. You can see it right here. And this is a CB2 Tide Basket, it's called. It's actually a planter. It's very heavy. I've seen it in the store in black, and they had a plant in it. Now, I really wanted the black one, and later on I could probably paint this black, if I ever want to change it up. But for right now, it's gonna go on my dining room table, which I'm gonna show you in a second. And it's a perfect addition for the spring. And of course, you can put your florals in here, a plant or two, whatever you want to do with it. But for me, I think I might just leave it as is and just see how it works out. It's so big and pretty to make a really great statement. I just love the way it's asymmetrical here. There's an oblong shape, I think it's called. I'm not sure. But yes, I do like this. It comes in black. It's part of their Brazilian, there's another name that they use with it, but it's CB2 Brazilian theme that they have going on in their store, their collection, along with the Lenny Kravitz Sexy collection. Yes, check out that their site and check out the video that I just did because they have some really nice accessories. CB2 for me, I'm not sure if I'd ever buy like the furniture pieces because I just need something a little bit larger. But for me, I really do love their accessories, their accompanying pieces, really nice. Now, I also have this bowl from Home Goods that I paid $29.99. Now, this is a little bit of the smallest piece that you're probably going to see from me today. Actually, no, there's one more piece that I'm going to show you. This is like the smaller piece, one of the smaller pieces that I got. And this is $29.99 from Home Goods. And you can see how it has the color here, how it has the faded color, and I love the way it has this earthy look to it. And they had a bigger one and a smaller one to it, but I just decided to just do one for now because it matches something else that I also got recently. So I got a lot of pieces from unique stores as well, but here it is here, and that is $29.99 from Home Goods. So the next piece that I got is this glass vase. Now this is pretty popular. I think you've seen this in CB2 quite a few times. This is one of their staple pieces that they always have on hand. I think because it just makes a statement. You have your metal piece and your glass piece, which are natural pieces that will always blend into something. You can do this without anything, but you can put one flower in it, little, flower that little hangs over just a little bit. Now, for some of these pieces that I'm showing you, it's either going to be going in my office or in my living room. But the next pieces I did kind of splurge on because they are pieces that are definitely investment pieces, and I will be able to sell them if I wanted to, if I chose to, in the future and make a pretty decent profit as long as I take care of them. So when I do my videos, I always have a purpose behind what I'm doing, because I don't ever want to show you guys somewhere, go somewhere, and I wouldn't shop there. So with that being said, recently I showed you guys a video, Rooms to Go versus Ashley Furniture, right? And Rooms to Go, I also said to take a look, pay attention to their home decor, because I've been able to get some fabulous home decor from Rooms to Go. There's a accessories designers club that you can join and get 30 to 60% off sometimes. And there's also some pieces that are on clearance. So it's a good deal to check out their home decor. It's a necklace in a shadow box, and it is really, 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 really nice. And then I got this one as well. Okay, so next up, I also have this shadow box here that I got from Ross. And one thing that I want to say, this was $40, and I got two of them. I'll just put them right here next to me while I talk. Okay, they kind of look like records, right? Like my gold records, you know, for my non-singing self. But yeah. So I got these pieces here, which you can see, because they are pieces of, they're like part of a collection. When I go into like people's interior designed homes, one thing I noticed is that the pieces all look like it came from the same collection. It's innovative and creative. It just draws your attention, and it brings the home so much warmth and cohesiveness that you just want to go back to see it again. It's not like museum like, right? Because you don't want to have, you want to show that you have variety, but it just looks like everything just flows so nicely. And I don't know about making your home look expensive, quote unquote, but I know about cohesiveness and how to design a home. Really gravitated towards these pieces, and I think the shadow box, along with the golds and the silvers and the metal tones, really helped to blend in. Okay guys, next up, recently, like I said, before I show you anything, I always tell you about, take you guys to stores to see some of the uniqueness, right? So what I can link in the description box, I will. I'll tell you where you can find these things. And this is a gallery called Elizabeth Cole, and there is a tour on my channel, so I always like to refer back. Again, I'm never going to tell you to go buy something that I didn't buy from somewhere myself, because I don't want to recommend something and then you go buy it and it falls apart, you know, because the stores or the gallery's negligence. This beautiful, it's called Persia Pottery from Elizabeth Cole. Yes, indeed. So I'm just going to put it right here on this table, right here for now. And this was $105. So I splurged on these pieces. This was $105. Look at how already, you see the bowl, that how it goes so well together. So much. I love cultural pieces, and that's what Lenny Kravitz in CB2, that's what it reminded me of. His, look at these pieces. I can see this in a model home. So again, you know, part of me showing you guys model homes and stuff like that, I have to say that before I tell you about the piece, is because not everybody is going to be able to get that big, gigantic home. But some of the decor in there is just absolutely fabulous in the way the pieces are styled, and You know, it's just great home decor inspiration. So me doing these model homes, it's really about home decor inspiration. I'm not expecting you to go out and buy a new home, but it also is for people to encourage people to be homeowners. I definitely stand behind that 100%. When you can't afford to buy your home, go ahead and buy it. But if you have an apartment, here is a little bit how you can style it. You know, so that's my whole purpose of my channel. I really want people to enjoy their space, especially now since we staying home more, especially with these gas prices, honey. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so back to this piece at hand. So I think these really make a statement. Now I have some really big gray ones that I guess I'm going to pop a picture in right here for you guys, that I'm going to be replacing, moving the gray ones somewhere else and putting these instead. Here is another piece of home decor that I got from Rooms to Go. It is a large mirror. I literally took this off the wall of the storeroom in Rooms to Go, and this piece was only $150. I love the way that you can either do it going vertically or horizontally on the wall, or just lean it on the wall. I think this is a really lovely, unique piece. I also visited Pottery Barn, where I picked up this paper mache bowl. Well, I actually got two of them, and they were about $39 a piece. And see, I just took it out the bag. However, I am not going to keep these pieces. I think the size of the bowl really attracted me. However, the bowl is light, and I don't think it's durable. You can see it there, how it has the crack in it already. And I just don't think that these bowls are durable long term. The price is at a good price point, but it's just not for me. So I'll be taking these bowls back to Pottery Barn. Now let's move into my home updates. I recently installed motorized blinds in my living room. Now this video is sponsored by a fabulous company called Smart Wings, who delivered these blinds to me, and they were super easy to install. Smart Wings offers roller shades, they offer zebra shades, and they offer woven shades, and they're all come motorized. See, my window here just had the curtains on it, and that was my whole process. I didn't want to do too much to my window area when I first moved in, because I know that I wanted the motorized blind installed, and Smart Wings made that happen for me. So this is the before and this is the after. I am truly satisfied with Smart Wings. So please visit their site today. The delivery is speedy. It's very easy to install. Anyone can install these blinds, and you don't need a lot of drilling time, and it's really easy to function as well. And it has one remote for all. You can use it with Alexa, or you can just plug them in, charge them, and then use it. The remote control, it hangs right on the wall. This is a great product, and I recommend it. And don't forget to check the description box and Smart Wings website for more information about motorized blinds. So now I'm going to move into my laundry room. Recently, I took you guys on a tour of this really fabulous model home, and I got such great inspiration for my mudroom and my laundry room. So right now, I have the builder grade washer and dryer, but I may change them, and I put these cabinets in, and I'm going to do something over with my mudroom, but this is where I got my inspiration from, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, well I'm getting ready to head out to return those bowls at Pottery Barn. If you want, there's a tour on my channel that you can check out. And this is my little outfit for the day. I got my Teddy Blake bag here, and this is their little coin purse accessory that I recently got. You can still get a great discount on Teddy Blake's products. Please check out my description box. Really lovely products Teddy Blake has to offer. So you can get a great 30% discount on right now going on the sale. So yes, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. I appreciate you all. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.